Okay guys, I thought I just had to get a video of this. This is a display of a LG washing machine. It's a display of one of these ones, I think, or one around here. And if you open this, it has warm water in there. And if you push this button, it literally works. It actually works. I mean, that's insane. I mean, that is absolutely insane. And then here's wash. This is so cool. This is like the coolest thing ever that I've ever seen at the Home Depot before. I mean, what the heck? Is that what Awesome is completely made out of? Too bad you couldn't, like, freaking buy one of these. I thought I had to get a video of that. I guess this video could be for JK18, but whatever. Thanks for watching.